Drones are becoming more and more popular given their use in photography, videography, and racing. At their most basic, they can only be used for blindly shooting still and video, with no type of preview available to the user. However, more advanced models will integrate some sort of FPV system that allows one to see what's happening from the drone's perspective in real time. So in this video, we are going to tell you about top 5 best drones. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure to stick till the end. Ryze Tech Tello. The Ryze Tech Tello aims to be the both by allowing you to fly the drone with an app or an optional Bluetooth remote. The Tello is a small drone, measuring just 6 by 6 by 1.3 inches. It weighs just under 3 ounces, so it does not need FAA registration. Most of the weight comes from the battery that slides into the plastic-covered body of the drone. With the rotors around it, these are protected by prop guards that protect the fast-spinning blades in collisions. The Tello app is free for iOS and Android smartphones. This provides a touchscreen interface to control the drone as well as a preview of the image from the camera. Parrot Anafi FPV. The Anafi copter itself is largely unchanged in this release. It just comes with more stuff. Like those VR goggles, the design is compact and lightweight, with arms that fold in, making it easy to fit in its included backpack, which neatly squares away all the components and is firm enough to double as a launch pad if there is no flat ground around. The camera still offers 4K high-resolution video at up to 30 FPS and takes 21 megapixel still images, including RAW. The Anafi also has an impressive top speed of 34 mph and manages a range of over 2 miles. Though out of the box, it's much more tightly geofenced, so it won't go far. Holystone HS700D FPV. The drone comes with a high-performance 4K camera, which you can interchange with the Hero 2, Hero 3, and Hero 4 GoPro models. The HS700D drone comes with intelligent flight assistant features that allows the drone to return home automatically when it loses connection or when the battery is low. The auto return is a fantastic GPS feature for beginners because if you accidentally fly your drone out of range, you can be sure that it will find its way back to you. The drone's custom flight path features allows you to design a flight path for complex sequence shoots. Another feature that many users like is the 5G FPV live video transmission. It gives you high-quality real-time videos from up to 3,280 feet away. DJI Mini 2. If you're a drone beginner or an experienced pilot looking for the most portable and lightweight DJI drone available, the 249-gram palm-sized Mavic Mini 2 is a great option. Not only is this drone exempt from requiring the owner to register with the CAA UK and FAA US, it is also packed with some impressive features. Despite its diminutive size, it also features a folding design that makes it incredibly small, to the point where you barely notice it being carried in a bag. Flight time is advertised as being up to 31 minutes, and there is also a digital zoom offering up to 4x magnification when shooting FHD video, 3x at 2.7K and 2x at 4K, allowing you to safely get closer to the action you're shooting. Ruko U11. The Ruko U11 offers a flight time of 20 minutes. This is more than impressive for a drone at the sub-$200 price point. The reason it managed to fly for such a long time is due to the 7.4V lithium polymer battery it is fitted with. This new modular pack is pretty energy efficient and lasts longer than standard batteries. It also requires just 2.5 hours to fully recharge, so you won't have to wait too long. The extra battery is included in the package, just as in its pricier sibling, the Ruko F11. This means you get twice the flight time, ensuring that you make the most of your drone flying sessions. This quadcopter has a maximum control range of 300 meters when using its dedicated controller. This is relatively underwhelming by industry standards, but good enough for a budget drone. Compact and minimalist controller feels natural in your palms and comes with a smartphone mount for those who want to fly with FPV.